recorded my Office Teams call using Windows 11's built-in screen recorder, and now I can easily check back on important points whenever I want. The best part, it's completely free and super simple to use. Search for Snipping Tool in the search box and then open it. Click on the video icon to switch to the recording mode. Before starting, click on Settings, maximize this and scroll down to Screen Recording section. Here you can see screen recordings are saved to. You can change the default location to wherever you prefer, so you can find recordings easily. Also, you can change this setting, include microphone input by default. When a screen recording starts, you can switch it to on, or you just want to be it off, include system audio by default when a screen recording starts. So the system audio will always be recorded like this. Now you can close this settings and click on new, select the area you want to record, click on start, and you will see a timer that shows how long you have been recording. So once done, you can click on stop recording. Then you can check the recording over here, open screen recording folder, if the recording is created or not. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.